Hello everyone, my name is Chitima Chupan. Now I am a lecturer at College of Industrial Technology and Management, Rajamangala University of Technology, Srivijaya. For today, I will present my research report. The topic of my research is an analysis of English language needs, a reflection from civil and electrical engineering student of College of Industrial Technology and Management, Rajamangala University of Technology, Srivijaya. In this presentation, I will start from the introduction, and after that, I will follow by research methodology, results, and the last part is discussion. Now we accept that English is a principal medium of science, technology, and engineering field. Engineering students need English as a tool to help them read academic and technical documents in English and to communicate in various situations. In their class, engineering students have to deal with lectures, tutorials, labs, project reports, and papers. And today, command in English language is a basic job description. Having good English skill is a plus point. It can help us in cementing better job opportunity as compared to someone who has command in technical skill only. The need for mastering English communication skill and win the competition in the world of work become challenges and responsibility of the university. Graduates are needed to equip with both skilled labors and sufficient English skill. Improving the competency of students can be done with emphasis on selection and design of appropriate course. English for specific purposes or ESP is considered a good way to enhance engineering students' English communication skill. This course is designed to meet the learner needs and is centered not only on the language but also on the skill and discourses. When developing engineering students' English competence and enabling them to use English communicatively, teachers need to motivate and guide in the classroom with a wide range of tasks, select materials, and design tasks based on real-world workplace situations. Moreover, the content should be based on the needs of engineering students, stakeholders, engineers, and the policy of the National Education Plan, and the content should focus more on four language skills. When designing the ESP course, a needs analysis should be carried out at the first stage. To do this, teachers seek fundamental information from specific group of students and then use the obtained information to revise, adjust, and develop the most appropriate language input and instructional materials. Now I will present about the research methodology of this research. I will start from the objective, participants, and research instrument, and the data analysis is the last part. In this study, is a survey research aimed to explore the needs of English topic for civil and electrical engineering students. The participants were 109 engineering students of College of Industrial Technology and Management, Rajamangala University of Technology, Srivijaya, in the academic year 2019, which were selected by a purposive sampling method. Data collection. In this study, data was collected through a questionnaire. It was divided into three parts. Part 1, participants were asked to give demographic data and experience of using electronic media. Part 2, participants were asked to evaluate their requirement for the English topic. And part 3 was an open-end question. Participants were asked to express their suggestions and expectations about the other English topic. For data collection, in this study, the researcher created a questionnaire in a form of Google form. Before sending out the online form, the researchers contact the students through Line application and Facebook and inform the QR code for them to access the survey link. Data analysis. In this study, the researcher used a descriptive statistic and one-way ANOVA to analyze the obtained data. The result of the study. We can see that the most of participants were male engineering students. Only 14.7% was female student. And year of study, the biggest group of the participants was the second year student, and the smallest group is the fifth year student. There were two engineering majors, civil engineering and electrical engineering. In the first part of the questionnaire, the participants were asked to self-rate themselves English ability. From the analyzed data, it showed that most of them self-reflected that they were basic users, and only 11.9% was proficient user. For the experience of using electronic media, both electrical and civil engineering expressed that they use language learning application is the biggest group. Here is the result of English topic for engineering that they show their requirements. All English topic for engineering were needed by both electrical and civil engineering students at high level. Writing an engineering project was identified as the highest needed topic. Then is followed by describing a procedure, process, engineering material, safety at work, and tool equipment and machine respectively. For civil engineering, it was found that safety at work was the highest needed, and then it was followed by describing for procedure and process, engineering material, and writing an engineering project, respectively. For electrical engineering, it was found that writing an engineering topic was the highest needed, and then it was followed by tools, equipment, and machines, and engineering material. Now, we can see that in this study, the researcher conducted a need analysis in the particular context. Although a need analysis in ESP has been extensively studied, there is a significant gap between language education and job-related communication in the real world. Researcher, English language lecturer, and curriculum planners should consider and employ a need analysis to gain in-depth information. It can be concluded that analyzing student needs and student problems, especially before designing ESP syllabus or course, are very essential. For the content and language skill in ESP course, from this study, we can find that to cultivate English language proficiency and skill for engineering students, writing should be included in the course, and the course should provide a topic of writing resume, filling application form, writing work-related email to communicate with supplier and subcontractor, writing daily reports, and writing a research proposal. For reading skill, in the course, should be consist of reading advertisement, instruction, brochures, tables, graphic chart, list, and table. This suggestion is similar to this study. Reading a table, graph, and diagram is one of the English topics that are needed at high level. And a characteristic of instructional media and teaching methodology for engineering students. As found in this study, the majority of engineering students has experience of using electronic media. Most of them reflected that they use a language learning application. So it can be assumed that the future trend of instructional media should be developed and inclusive learning with available online too. And in ESP speaking class, teachers should encourage the student to actively speak in group for presentation or performance by doing a role play with peer partner for short conversation. However, ESP teacher cannot do ESP test alone without any help from specialists in a particular area of engineering. Revision and careful selection of the source of information for ESP material development can proceed with the cooperation of subject teacher. Okay, thank you for your attention.